welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because this is what I have been waiting to tell you guys for a very long time, and I am so excited that it is finally coming out. If you're a patron, you already know this, or you're finding this out 24 hours before YouTube is finding this out. This is a new perk for our patrons. They will get 24 hours of access to this before the general public, and they also get free shipping on this. So without further ado, what is my big announcement? Launching an Auntie Tay exclusive mystery box. I know that some of you guys already guessed it, but I did not say a word if you did, and there were a lot of great guesses out there, but the Auntie Tay mystery box is out and live. So this is our first mystery box, and it is all HTV iron-on. This is the thing about my mystery box that I am so excited about. You guys are gonna help pick everything that I put inside of this box. So I did a poll and I asked for your favorite colors and products, and you guys let me know that iron-on is your favorite. Of course it is, because it's my favorite too, because it's awesome. So the brand that we're using is Caesar iron-on, and then any time we'll be using vinyl, it will be Orcal vinyl. So they are the top of the line products, and that doesn't mean that that's the only thing you'll ever find in our mystery boxes, but it is what you'll be finding in this month's mystery box. So let's talk about what's in this mystery box and what's special about my first mystery box. So the first mystery box is summer themed. As you can see, some of the projects I've made behind us, we've made pillows and lots of fun things with this mystery box theme, which is summer, lemonade stands, and more. So I tried to take the colors that you guys loved and integrate them into our theme, which is summer. And so you guys will see that there's gonna be a new theme each time a new mystery box comes out. So what I need you guys to do is let me know what you guys like about this box, if you want me to change anything. We did only do a limited supply. First of all, this is our first mystery box, so we're still filling out how long it takes us to ship and package and all of that. Make sure our website is working, make sure everything is crystal clear until we launch more. There's a good amount, so we will get a good feeling for how to do this every single month. This has been such a fun project. With that, there will be 10 colors in here, and I will be doing some polls in my Facebook group for you guys to let me know what colors you'd like to see come back, what colors you'd like to see me nix, or if you really just loved everything about the mystery box. So let's talk about what's in this bad boy this month. All right, you're gonna be getting 10 colors, okay? So I was thinking in every mystery box, and you guys can let me know if this is not a good idea, I would include black, white, and gold glitter iron-on, because those are my three staples that I go to every single month, and usually every project I do has something with black, white, and gold in it. I don't know why, but it's just my favorite. So if that's something that you guys are like, we don't really want all that, we'd rather get like limited edition holographic vinyl and things like that, I want you guys to let me know. This box will have a 12 by 15 inch roll of white, a 12 by 15 inch roll of black, and a 12 by 10 inch sheet of gold glitter iron-on. Then we will go into a couple of our summer colors that I chose. I based these around lemonade stands. The lemonade stand this summer, so that I also used it on a bunch of pillows and fun things that you'll be seeing throughout the next month of all the projects we've been doing, whether it's been live or not. You will get a 12 by 15 inch of melon. You'll get a 12 by 15 inch of hibiscus, which those two colors go really great together. A 12 by 15 inch of lemon yellow, a 12 by 15 inch of cranberry red, which is actually a color that Cricut does not carry. It's a very vibrant, bright red, which I've always been wanting to find, but Cricut's red is not as bright as this red. So this is a very, very bright red. So I couldn't leave you hanging without doing some more glitter iron-on in the box as well. So you guys said glitter iron-on is your favorite, as well as pink. Everybody said pink, 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 pink. So I included a roll of hot pink glitter iron-on. You'll get a 12 by 10 inch sheet of that, a 12 by 10 inch sheet of aqua glitter iron-on, which I posted a huge roll picture in the Cricut Bays Facebook group, and you guys went nuts over it. So that color will be included. And then when I did my poll on what other things you guys like, you guys all said holographic vinyl, and I had never used holographic vinyl or holographic HTV. I was so excited when I got it because it's so cool to look at, and it makes projects so much fun when they're done. So I included one roll this month, but it's a 12 by 19 and a half inch sheet of it. So it's a very long sheet, and you can use it for a lot of different things. So I'm super excited to have that in the box as well. So we will probably launch this same box if we get a really good feedback on it. If we get some feedback like we don't want that much of this or that much of that, and it's just, we can tell it's a majority rolls of this, we will probably nix it, and I will launch another round of the summer mystery box with a little bit different colors, and I will let you guys know when that is live and when that comes out, if this one is already sold out. But if it's not, have fun, get it. We are going to be using the stuff for lots of different projects this month. You'll see a lot of this stuff in Landis's room tour when we're done with her room, and you'll see a lot of it in our photos that I'll post of our lemonade stand photos. So I'm so excited for this. I'm so thankful for you guys to be so excited with me. I know you guys have been along the journey for me posting all these pictures, and you guys have been overly excited about anything that I was doing, so that just warms my heart like to the moon. You guys waited all month for a mystery box and it wasn't coming, so I thought I would hustle my butt for you guys to try to get this out a little bit sooner. I know there are not very many, so good luck if you get it. If you're a patron, there is a coupon code that we sent out to you for free shipping, so check that out. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of the support over the last few years of me working with the Cricut and teaching you guys products and stuff like that. I am so looking forward to this new project, and I'm so excited about it. Like, who knows, there'll probably be months when I come out with 3 different mystery boxes, because I have had so much fun working on this project, and it has been something that my whole family has been excited about. If you couldn't tell by any of our live videos with Dustin, the girls have been enjoying folding boxes and doing fun things, and we're gonna be rolling lots of rolls of vinyl and HTV and lots of fun things. Anna loves this. We are like all coming up with so many ideas. Like, we have Christmas ideas and Thanksgiving ideas. It's gonna be fun, and I'm so beyond thankful that you guys have been there with me through this the whole way. I love you guys so much. I already said that, but I can't stop saying it. You guys are amazing. All right, I love you guys. Bye.